Hello all, welcome to NetSet OS. These days I'm seeing bit manipulations questions are very much asked in competitive programming. So I'm taking a very base question which has a dependency. So let's start with a very basic question, toggle kth bit. And trust me, if you don't know the toggle kth bit, you won't be able to solve a difficult competitive programming question. So I'm here to let you understand toggle kth bit in a very easy way. So let's get started. Here I will take an example 10101, and here when k is equal to 3, that means it starts from right 1, 2, 3. So I need to make this one toggle. Toggle means 1 to 0, so that I can get the resulting bit as this. So here we need to toggle this particular bit so that we can get this output. So how to do this? For toggle, we need to make either if we have 1 to 0 or 0 to 1, which can easily be done with the help of XOR operation. XOR operation means the XOR of same bit makes 0 and the XOR of different bits, it makes 1. So whenever I have 1, by XORing 1, I can get the toggled value of 1, which is 0. And if I have 0, by XOR of 1, I can get 1. That means with the help of XOR 1, I can make 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So till here we are confirmed that we need to make use of XOR operation, but our cursor is at k is equal to 1. That is on the first position. Now what I need to do? I need to shift it to the k is equal to 3. That means to this position. I need to shift this 1 by 2 position so that it can shift to k is equal to 3. So here I can write 1 should be shifted to k minus 1 position, as I was having k is equal to 3, and for shifting from first position to third, I need to make a shift of 2. Here I am using bitwise operator to shift cursor to the left. So the first thing, I need to shift my cursor to the desired position. So I can write k minus 1. Then the second operation is to do XOR of the given input to the shifted value, and here I have added 2 zeros. Now we will perform the second operation. We will do XOR of both. If we are doing same digit XOR, it will be 0, and if it is different bits, the XOR of different bits will be 1. Keeping this in mind, we will take 1 XOR 0 will be 1, 0 XOR 0, 0, 1 XOR 1, 0, 0 XOR 0, 0, and 1 XOR 1 will be 1. Now we compare the input with output, we can see we got k is equal to 3, 1 to 0, and the rest values are the same. So here we have to perform 2 operations. First, left shift by k minus 1 and then XOR by input. Let's take one more example. Let's say in input we have 2 and k is equal to 3. So let's start by making this into binary digit. 2 is 0, 1, 0. And here at k is equal to 3, I need to toggle it. So how can I do it? 1 to the left shift with k minus 1. So as k I have is equal to 3, k minus 1 will be 2. So 1 should be shifted by 2 positions. That means I got 1, 0, 0. Now the second operation, to XOR. Input is 2, which is 0, 1, 0. So here I'll write 0, 1, 0. And the shifted position is 1, 0, 0. Let's do XOR of both. 0, 0 is same. So 0, 1, 0 is different digits. So 1 and 0, 1, 1. 1, 1, 0 is 6. And my aim was to toggle k is equal to 3. That means this 0 into 1. So this is how we will toggle the particular digit so as to get output. Thereafter, I will come up with more questions based on bit manipulation. So till then, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.